Because the water is here.
Yes, sir.
Then how come it comes this side?
Sir, due to heavy rainfall, sir, water comes.
No, you did not clear in that side.
No, sir, same clear, waterway clear. But excess water, sir.
From this side. You never know, no, it's made.
All night, sir, rainfall.
So what is the way out? How are you going to do?
These are first make a diversion, cut this hill. Second is a bridge, proposed bridge. Cut this way.
This will take a lot of time.
Yes, sir.
Abhilash?
Yes, sir.
It will take time.
This is, I mean, basically
So-
they'll have to make a roundabout.
No, but I think Shamanu, ketika wayang nanti.
Ti hadirin manglawan kumni rengkat baka tim hibarokwe na duka district administration na kaliang wene chadisel na kaliang jong ke PWD road jongi bat kumjuru na kaliang jong ka disaster management ting dan hang ne bat ki company ki ba pentrei kan surok ting yo ya ki jing ka ba jur ba ka de bat kan ketua te kan bam kapor akaban repair kan ni te hadin nang tu ngia wan ru ban pe ya ka yodon kadung ka temporary arrangement ka ban kumno ban light ya ka ya ki bri ka rung ki ba mi ki ba ya ba hier se dau ki la ni ba hier se pusla nang te ne silong te ngla wan man dai ke inspection bat ka ba ngin se shim ni karai kham sibit hadin meng ne song meeting apo IB hakaba nga iman ngi haban pyniaid nang nei na thli na yo moyong bat kumju ro na nang thumai ban mi akan ka parmau ko jong iba krik hakabang ayat mentang ngai kalong possible temporary tang bakala bandai tang yaki light vehicle kabdai banlong yaki commercial vehicle ndai kalong mai tang yaki light vehicle te yakani gin sai shong batki officers baro nakaliang district administration nakaliang national nakaliang PWD bain dio bat penbek kumdo ban le kan ka kam ingin dia penbek lang bat ka borsnong bor thaw bat kumjuk ini kendu yaki try simetru bakin sengau bahaban ailat yang bangin pendun kam ni ka surok kat bom patla ban pendep ya kan ka construction nga patmai ya kan ka surok kamtab nang mar ba ka surok kala adat coach not tingin ya kren yang ni bakin sengau bahaban sya kat bangin patla ban pendep kanang ba kila ban ya nang